Dear students, in this MongoDB First Steps chapter, we are going to take a look at how to install MongoDB databases and how to create a first one of our own. We will also try to make work easier for us. How are we going to do that, you ask? Well, we are going to learn about an alternative tool for working with databases so that we don't have to use the command line all the time. The tool is called Robo3T, previously known as RoboMongo. We will install this one as well in order to see that there is no need to work with the command line all the time. Go to mongodb.com and download Community Server. It is the second tab of the top menu. In the Download Center, we can choose the version that we would like to download. The most recent at this time is 4.2.5 and I want it for the 64-bit version of Windows. And I have chosen the MSI installation package. After that, it is advisable to download the Robo3T tools as well. You can do so at robomongo.org. The Robo3T only version should suffice. The other tools won't be needed now, as they are quite advanced. In this overview here, we can see everything that Studio 3T offers instead. For our immediate needs, however, we only require Robo3T. I have already downloaded the tools. Let's install the MongoDB database first. That is the current 4.2.5 version over here. I will confirm that I would like to install the database. And then I'll go through the wizard. Here, I will only adjust the destination folder as I don't have enough space on my C drive. I will also want the server to load automatically along with the system startup. To do that, I will keep the corresponding checkbox ticked. Then I will simply continue with the installation. The process itself is very quick. On your typical work computer, it should only take a couple of minutes. Once the installation is over, you can start using the database immediately. By choosing the complete installation option, we will also get the MongoDB Compass tool. It is an alternative tool for managing and working with a MongoDB database. At the end of the lesson, we will learn more about it. So the installation was completed successfully. We will confirm, and immediately we can install RoboMongo as well. Now we will start with booting up the command line. Let's check the folder where the database should be installed first. The path should be the same as we have here. Once we enter, we should be able to see several executable files. Just to double check, we will run the MongoDB daemon process, which is a MongoDB database service program. It can be run by the MongoD command. It should display settings similar to these. The command can be reused as necessary. It serves only to make sure that we have checked the installation option that the database should not boot automatically. The database itself is run by the Mongo command. Right now, I am inside the database and I can view all the databases I have created there. There is, for example, the LIDAR database, which was left there after the previous installation. The data file wasn't lost, and after a new installation, the database remains intact and ready to use. I can also create a new database. I have created a database called test, and I would like to insert some data into it. This way, I can insert some initial subject in the first collection. When I list the available databases afterwards, I should see the new test database as well. This was a quick introduction to the installation of a MongoDB database, as well as the creation of a very simple database of our own.